In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Google Tasks notifications. If you've ever wondered why your tasks don't ping you at the right moment, it usually comes down to two simple settings. First, your task needs an exact due date and a specific time. Second, your Google Calendar on the computer needs to be set up to show notifications and display your tasks. Let's walk through both clearly so you never miss an important reminder again. Start by opening Google Tasks wherever you use it, whether that's in the side panel of Gmail or directly in the Tasks app. Create a new task or open one you already have, then add a due date and, most importantly, a time. This part is crucial. Google Tasks will not send a reminder if you only choose a date. You need both the date and the exact time for a notification to appear. Pick a time that truly works for you, and double-check the AM or PM so it doesn't fire at the wrong hour. If your schedule changes, you can always edit the task later and adjust the time to match your day. Also keep your time zone in mind. If you've traveled recently or changed system settings, make sure the task time aligns with your current location so the alert shows when you expect it. Next, set up notifications in Google Calendar on your computer since Calendar handles the actual desktop alerts for task times. Open Google Calendar in your browser and click the gear icon to go to Settings. Look for the Notifications section and turn on Calendar notifications so your browser can show alerts. Then, back on the main calendar view, check the left sidebar under My Calendars and make sure the Tasks calendar is visible and checked. If Tasks isn't selected there, your task times won't appear on the calendar, and you won't get the alerts you expect. Once these are in place, a task with a date and a time, plus calendar notifications enabled with tasks visible, Google Calendar will keep you alerted right when your tasks are due. As a quick tip, if you still don't see pop-ups, make sure your browser and your computer's notification settings allow Google Calendar to show alerts. Keeping the Calendar tab open and signed in helps ensure those reminders reach you reliably. That's it. Set the exact time on your tasks, enable notifications in Google Calendar, and keep tasks checked under My Calendars. With these in place, you'll get timely Google Tasks notifications every time.